Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to engage autopilot when you're driving a Tesla. So to do this, what you want to do is with the right stock, click down on it 2 times. So 1, 2, and this is going to put it into autopilot mode. Now, if you have the FSD version, then doing 2 clicks will put you in full self-driving mode. But if you haven't purchased full self-driving, you just have the regular autopilot, then that is going to put you into autopilot mode. Now, if you want a tutorial on how to use all of the features of autopilot, I'll have a longer video posted down in the description if you'd like to check that out. This is just a basic how to turn it on, which is 2 clicks down on the right stock. If you want to disengage autopilot, either you can tap on the brake or you can click up on the right stock, and then that will take you out of autopilot. It's also important to note that you have autopilot turned on in your menu settings. So to show you this, we can open up the menu of our vehicle. Obviously, you're going to want to do this while the car is parked. You can't change your autopilot settings when you're driving, but in this menu that pops up, what we want to do is click on where it says autopilot, and then you can go to the auto steer, which is the autopilot option currently in the menu, and you want to make sure that that is enabled and turned on. So just to quickly recap, to turn on autopilot, you do 2 taps down on the right stock. And again, if you want a more detailed explanation on all the functions and how to use autopilot, I'll have a longer video posted down in the description that you can access through that link. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.